Hey, what's going on, everyone, and happy Friday. Today I wanted to switch things up a little bit. Recently, about 2 days ago, I ended up picking up a Something Obscene J-Cape. So they had a kind of a more limited drop of their J-Cape 3.5, and said that it was the last time that they were going to be releasing them. I don't know. It was about 5 o'clock in the morning on the West Coast when I saw the post, and I was in the gym, and I was like, you know what? Let's just go for it. So realizing that I have already reviewed the J-Cape 3.5, I thought it could be interesting, a little bit different to do in unboxing. So with that, this is the box it comes with, small flat rate, whatever. We're going to be using my very trusty, my main squeeze, large Sebenza 31 that I kind of made to open this thing up. And we'll just kind of go over some initial impressions. So we got some very dark kind of tissue paper. Oh, a couple knucks here from Something Obscene. That's a nice touch. Return address, not going to do that. Return label. Oh, a little magnetic slap koozie, or not magnetic, but whatever these slap koozies are called. So that's pretty cool. Get this stuff out of the way and yeah, unwrap this thing a little bit. But yeah, I guess I was a little bit surprised that I went for this, but ever since my buddy Zach let me borrow his J-Cape 3.5, it just kind of stuck with me. You know, like you try knives from time to time, and sometimes they kind of pop back into your head, and this was definitely one of those that I was like, man, it was pretty fun to review, pretty nice knife all around, and then just the fact that they aren't going to be releasing the 3.5 anymore made me jump on it. So, all right, opening the box, got some extra hardware. Looks like it's very dark DLC coated. That's silica gel, don't eat that. Some closed cell foam here. J-Cape serial number 395. So that's nice. This is going to be serialized then. The coolest thing about this version too was, so it does come with this new clip, and then I'm assuming what's on it is going to be the more traditional, yeah, there it is, that lightning bolt. And wow, it almost looks like it was put in with like a Dremel tool. 395, that's the number. The difference between this one and the last one that I tried also is the fact that this is going to have a flipper tab on it. Whoa, that's nice. I mean, we're definitely running on bearings, full titanium. It's kind of like a flat, dark earth mixed with copper, I would say. But I really like the ability to actuate this knife with the thumb studs as well as the flipper tab. So I think that that's really cool. This one's going to be in 20 CV. Really nice, well balanced. I don't know. I like it. Cool. Yeah, it'll be a good part of my collection here. Not sure if I'm going to do another review on this. I am going to try to, and I've since reached out to Something Obscene ever since I ordered this for the Zerk kind of kit you can get with the pocket clip and the backspacer. More to follow with that, because from what I've seen, they really don't make them anymore, but that would be kind of a cool addition to this. So that's going to be the unboxing of the Something Obscene J-Cape. Hope you all are having a good day. Have a solid weekend, and we will see you next time.